Hi, KY here. Today we're gonna look at one fried lala recipe that is pretty simple. So first you're gonna get yourself some good quality lala. Make sure that they're alive because that's the best. And as for the ingredients, other than lala, I just use cilipadi, garlic and also spring onion. So first you cut cilipadi into small pieces and then mince some garlic also. I like to leave them a little bit chunky. And of course there's also the spring onion, chop them finely as well. So these are the three vegetables that you kind of need. Next you just heat up the cast iron pan, that's what I use, and with some oil and start frying the garlic. Once you can smell that the garlic is a bit fragrant, time to just throw in the lala and start stirring them a little bit. Then cilipadi goes next. Again, just continue to stir. For the perisa, I add about 3/4 spoonful of sugar, about 1/2 teaspoon of 3/4 teaspoon of sugar actually, and then about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Shoot some pepper to it also. And then the secret ingredient here is the Chinese rice wine that's used for cooking. I put 2 capfuls in here. And keep stirring a bit, cover it up to let it steam. You don't need any additional water for this, yeah. So you can open it up and stir a bit every now and then. And basically you want to do this until most of the lala are open. So once they are cooked, naturally they will start to open up. And that's time when you can just move it to the serving plates. And just right before serving, sprinkle those spring onion that you prepared earlier. And basically that's your dish. It's pretty simple to prepare, right? Enjoy cooking and enjoy eating. Thanks.